zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to I'm Face Rolls Forum Explorum episode 6, a new series which I'll be featuring with you every Monday. In this series we'll dig deep into the forums and bring you some custom PCs like no other. And as always, I'll leave a direct link to the forum thread in the description below. Let the Forum Explorum begin. So this week, guys, still sticking with them scratch builds. We got some pretty good ones to show you, and today's one especially you guys will love. So we're going to go scratch build. We are going to go number of views. We'll keep that descending and we'll bring this to the beginning of when the forum was made. So we'll bring up these threads and we will choose project the next level. Remember, guys, leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think of this PC, what you like about it, and what you think could be improved. Starting off here, guys, we can see 2 desk computers. So he's actually made 2 desk computers previously and he wants to make a third one. But this time he wants to keep it an ergonomic design, so let's get into it. So the desk is going to be made out of 3mm aluminium. It was all laser cut out, and he's just going to be using a machine to bend it all into shape to create the desk. So it is a very simple design. He's cut out some more aluminium parts and he's welded them all together. Really clean welding there, so the final finish should look really good. So he's now made a frame for the desk just to add that extra support and strength, and he's added to the main body, which is all up and running and looking really nice there. You can see that pretty much the main frame of the body is complete. So here he's actually made a couple of reservoirs, as you can see there, tapped the hole so he can screw his fittings into them, and then he's welded them together for a 90-degree reservoir. Here he created a couple of visor mount brackets and the stand for his monitors. He'll be using 2 monitors, so he's got all of these welded up and looking nice. And I'll scroll down a bit further for you. This is the stand right here that you can see on screen, which really clean look there, and he'll have 2 monitors hanging over that. And here it is hooked up to 2 Dell monitors. Okay, guys, so the whole desk is standing now and he got some framework on the bottom. He'll be covering that with some more sheets of aluminium, and he'll be making that look nice, give it a nice paint job, and then that is the main frame of the desk done. So he's cut out a section of the wood where the glass is going to sit, and then he routed out an edge around the corner so the glass can just sit in there nice and comfy. And it looks like here he's actually going to be cutting off the edges sort of at an 45-degree angle, just for a nice aesthetically pleasing look. So here's his 2 reservoirs, keeping it simple, doesn't want them see-through or anything, but I think the end finished result will look really nice with this reservoir in there. You can see there's lots of detail in there, and he's just added these extra sections onto it just to sort of bring it out and make it pop. I really like the wooden finish that he's putting into with the metal. It's actually looking really clean. I like the end result there, and he's actually made a bit of a panel for that bay device thing there. I think that is a fan controller or a temperature sensor. I'm not 100% sure. It would make more sense to be a temperature sensor, seems it's inside the desk. So he's got the top wooden panel all coated with a clear and varnish. Looks very, very nice and clean there. I really love that wooden finish with the metal there and those reservoirs. It really brings it out. This is a really clean design that he's going for. So he's got all of the panels and everything coated with a black. Looks very, very nice, and the finish on them is just excellent. You can see here, once that's added to the desk, it's really going to bring it out. Look at that finish, guys. That is the main part of the desk, all coated in the black, and it's just looking fantastic. Finally got some tubing in there, guys. A nice chrome plated tubing, and with those copper accents from the water blocks, really looks like a really clean build, and that's amazing what he's done here. And I'm going to scroll down further and I'm going to show you guys the final result. Here's a few different LED lighting options before I show you the final result, guys. Obviously you got to put the progress in before the final result, but wait until you see the finished product. And here it is, guys, the finished result. A nice clean desk PC. You can see the fans underneath there. blowing clean air, cold air into the desk, and the radiators, two 360mm monster radiators by Alphacool. He's got the glass on top there. Looking into it, nice clean design, and I'm really happy with what he's done here. Definitely a build that I loved and enjoyed featuring. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, because even though it's a really clean design, it just really, everything he did just brings out the next component along. So he stuck with a theme, kept it with very simple wood, copper finish, chrome plated tubing, and metal. Very simple design, but very effective. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this project, because I'm sure a lot of you would have liked this one. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.